Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at two of the leading dog food delivery services out there, which are Ollie and We-Feed-Raw. I'll be comparing these two brands in terms of meal plans, ingredients, nutritional aspects, pricing, and customer support. So if you want to see which one of these two services is more suitable for your furry friend, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out any of these services for yourself, you'll find all the useful links as well as discount codes in the description down below to help you save some extra money. So for starters, let's see what each service provides in their meals and meal plans. Both Ollie and We-Feed-Raw offer subscription-based meal plans that are designed to be complete and balanced for pets. Ollie uses a more in-depth algorithm to create a customized meal plan for your dog based on their age, weight, and any allergies or sensitivities that they may have. We-Feed-Raw also has a quiz to help you determine the best meal plan for your dog, but it may not be as personalized. Also, both companies use high-quality human-grade ingredients that are free from fillers, preservatives, and artificial colors or flavors. Ollie sources their animal proteins from US farms and free-range farms in the US and Australia, while We-Feed-Raw uses high-quality sources like US farms for beef, chicken, and turkey, and New Zealand farms for lamb and venison. Ollie's meals are cooked and delivered fresh to your door, while We-Feed-Raw's meals are raw and need to be frozen until ready to use. Additionally, Ollie's meal plans have an upper weight limit of 180 pounds, while We-Feed-Raw does not have a weight limit. So overall, both companies provide high quality, complete, and balanced meal plans for your pets, but Ollie's plans are more personalized and delivered cooked, while We-Feed-Raw offers raw meals and may have a less personalized approach. Now, in terms of ingredients, both Ollie and We-Feed-Raw prioritize natural, high quality ingredients in their pet food, without the use of fillers, preservatives, or artificial additives. Both brands also offer a variety of protein options for their main ingredients, with Ollie offering chicken, turkey, beef, and lamb, while We-Feed-Raw offers beef, chicken, turkey, lamb, and venison. One key difference between the two brands is that Ollie includes nutrient-dense carbs such as veggies and seeds in their recipes, while We-Feed-Raw includes bone in their recipes for added nutrition. Additionally, while Ollie sources some of their ingredients from family-run US farms, We-Feed-Raw sources their ingredients exclusively from high-quality, human-grade sources in the US and New Zealand. Another notable difference is that Ollie offers single-ingredient treats, while We-Feed-Raw does not specifically mention treats in their product descriptions. However, both brands prioritize providing complete and balanced nutrition, with We-Feed-Raw including a premix of vitamins and minerals to ensure pets are getting all the necessary nutrients. So in terms of ingredients, both brands offer high-quality, natural pet food options with slightly different approaches to providing complete nutrition for pets. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your pet's individual needs and preferences, as well as your own personal beliefs and priorities when it comes to pet nutrition. Now, on the nutritional aspect of things, both Ollie's and We-Feed-Raw's meals are designed to be complete and balanced for pets, meeting AAFCO standards. Now, both companies provide guaranteed analysis information for their meals, which outlines the minimum and maximum levels of nutrients such as protein, fat, fiber, and moisture. But a key difference is that Ollie's meals are cooked at low temperatures in small batches to kill bacteria while preserving nutrients. Meanwhile, We-Feed-Raw's meats are cold pressed to reduce the presence of pathogenic bacteria. Also, Ollie's meals have a protein content of at least 12%, while We-Feed-Raw's protein content ranges from 13 to 18.5% depending on the recipes. And Ollie's meals have a higher moisture content, while We-Feed-Raw's meals are dry. We-Feed-Raw also provides caloric information for each recipe, which can help pet owners select the best meal for their dog's needs. So overall, both Ollie and We-Feed-Raw offer high quality, nutritious meals for dogs. Ollie's meals are cooked and delivered, while We-Feed-Raw offers a range of recipes and the option to purchase in bulk. And now let's move on to packaging and delivery. Ollie's food packs are vacuum sealed and are roughly the size of a smartphone, making them easy to store. They come with a custom feeding guide, a scoop for easy portioning, and a pup tainer to store leftovers. Ollie also offers a flexible delivery schedule, anywhere from once a week to every 8 weeks depending on your needs. Shipping is available in all 48 continental US states, and you can choose your delivery date, but Sundays and Mondays are off limits. We-Feed-Raw, on the other hand, delivers frozen patties that are clearly labeled and packaged in an eco-friendly cooler packed with dry ice. The food can stay fresh in the fridge for up to 4 days and up to 1 year in the freezer. Shipping is free to all 48 contiguous states for meal plans and bulk orders, and orders are shipped on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday depending on your zip code. You can choose between subscription-based orders or bulk orders, and you don't need an account or a subscription for bulk orders. Now, in terms of pricing, Ollie and We-Feed-Raw have different pricing structures. Ollie's prices vary based on your dog's needs and size, with prices starting at less than $4 per day for small dogs exclusively fed Ollie. On average, you can expect to pay around $8 per day for Ollie. However, the price per meal plan stays the same for one dog regardless of the recipe you choose. Additionally, if your dog doesn't like the food, you can get a full refund on your starter box within 2 weeks. We-Feed-Raw, on the other hand, offers customized meal plans based on your dog's size and needs. For example, a 6-week meal plan for a small dog costs around $124, which is about $2.94 per day, while a 2-week meal plan for a much bigger dog costs around $225, which is around $16.07 per day. And finally, when it comes to customer service, both Ollie and We-Feed-Raw seem to have great customer service options. Ollie's canine care team is available for longer hours on weekdays and weekends, and they have a canine support center on their website. We-Feed-Raw also offers phone, email, and live chat support during work hours, and they have an extensive FAQ section and social media channels where customers can find helpful information. So both companies seem to prioritize customer satisfaction and offer various options to get in touch with their support teams. So to summarize, both We-Feed-Raw and Ollie offer high-quality, human-grade dog food delivered conveniently to your door. We-Feed-Raw offers customized meal plans that are nutritionally balanced and made with premium ingredients, while Ollie offers a set menu with macro-balanced, freshly cooked meals. While We-Feed-Raw may be a better option for those on a tight budget or with larger dogs, Ollie is a great choice for those looking for the convenience of a set menu and high-quality ingredients. Ultimately, the decision between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences, but either way, you can feel good knowing that you're providing your furry friends with nutritious and delicious meals. So that's going to be it for today's video, and again, if you're interested in either of these services, you can find in-depth reviews as well as discount codes in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.